Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Turn up the watch volume and disable silent mode. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off on both devices. Next, check Bluetooth so the watch and iPhone show as connected. This is how calls and alerts route. Also, update watch OS and iOS. Once done, many notification bugs vanish. These steps avoid wasting time on advanced fixes and prepare your devices so the following actions actually reach the watch, rather than being blocked by simple settings or outdated software. Once basics are set, focus on notification routing. Open the watch app and under Notifications mirror your iPhone for phone and messages, or set custom alerts so the watch rings. Then inspect the iPhone's phone app settings. Allow sounds, banners, and badges so call signals get generated. If notifications still fail, restart both the watch and iPhone. Force close any third-party calling apps that might intercept calls. These steps ensure the system hands incoming calls to the watch, rather than to another app or silence. Now test with a real incoming call. Call your number from a second phone and watch for ring, vibration, or alert. That confirms routing. If it still doesn't ring, unpair and repair the watch. This reinstalls settings while keeping a backup. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings on your iPhone if connectivity seems erratic, then recheck Bluetooth and carrier settings. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support for diagnostics. They can check hardware or deeper software, faults that you can't fix at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.